Hey guys, it's Ashley here. Today I'm doing a backyard makeover. I'm turning it into a tiki backyard. It's a small backyard and I'm gonna try to make it as cheap as possible, so that's my goal. I got everything from either Amazon, Canadian Tire, Walmart, or the dollar store mostly. So I'll send like links if I have them in the description if you want anything. Here is an after of my backyard tiki Hawaiian transformation. This is the morning right before my birthday party, so it's decorated and I have like the table set up so you can see what I did. I have a watermelon keg there. I have a lot of fruit sliders, decorations that I got from Amazon and the dollar store. As you can see on the far end of the wall, I did like a stream of Hawaiian flowers and Hawaiian flowers along the railings as well. Here's a look at nighttime so you can see the lights at the bar. I also added lights on the plants. So here I'm giving you a look of the before of my backyard. It is a small backyard. As you can see, it needs a lot of work, a lot of cleaning up. The fences are very old, but I had to make that work. We also had to cut the grass. Yeah, so here's just a few angles of the before of my backyard. I really wanted a pool this summer in the backyard since we're quarantined inside. Unfortunately, everyone had the same idea, so they were all out of stock. I did buy one off of Kijiji. Someone was reselling it, but it's kind of small. Okay, so luckily I have this hut here in the back that I want to turn into a tiki bar. I've already put this up. So these were blinds that were broken. And I ended up putting it up with little nails. It went up pretty nicely, and then this was at the dollar store because it wasn't long enough. So we've kind of put a layer of this with nails from the dollar store. This door is going to be open this way, and then we're going to add a bar in the front. Okay, see how that goes. Here's a quick look of how the bar is slowly but surely coming alive. That look good, that's all you think?
Yeah.
Got all these stuff from the dollar store. I also wanted a little bit of privacy, so I got this black, I have to fix it a little bit, but this black cover and put it through the gate. And we're also trying to figure out how to blow up this pool. It's harder than it looks. It's supposed to be easy, but it's not that easy. So we also bought these plants for $20 each at Canadian Tire. Okay, so I found this like fold up bar with different covers. It was about like how much was it? Can't really remember, but I got it on Amazon. It came really quickly. These are all from the dollar store. This was Amazon. I just like nailed it up on the inside. We found this on Amazon. I nailed it up as well. Dollar store. This was Amazon, dollar store. We're going to decorate this bar more because it just doesn't suit the tiki bar so far, so we're gonna fix it up, and we still gotta fix up the roof as well. Let's get on to it. All right, this is from the dollar store. I just folded it and I'm gonna try to glue this on nice and sturdy. Unfortunately, I couldn't find grass to put on the roof of the hut, so I used these from the dollar store and put them on the roof. Did it with zip ties, and I'm gonna cut these off. All right, we put these in the grass. We got these from Walmart. They were only $7. Hey, these are from the dollar store, and they're Citronella. Got this umbrella from Walmart. Something I forgot to record was that I did stream lights across the backyard, and I also put lights in the plants. I wanted to show you the Hawaiian themed food we made at the barbecue. We had sausages, kabobs, pulled pork sliders, a ham. We also had hors d'oeuvres. I bought little coconut cups to have pina coladas in, and Mai Tais. I'm also going to put that in the description, all on Amazon. It was a lot of fun working on this backyard. I hope it gives you some ideas. Thanks for watching.